Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate fast charging on Samsung M35 device. Well, in emergency situations where you need to ensure that your device has enough battery power quickly, fast charging can be a lifesaver. So, activating fast charging ensures that your device can be charged rapidly in critical situations. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, so here please scroll down and then you can select the battery option here. Well, within the battery settings, continue scrolling to find the charging settings section and tap on it. So in this menu, you can enable various charging options and features. Among the available options, ensure to activate the fast charging feature on your device. Okay, and by enabling this feature, your device will utilize fast charging capabilities to efficiently charge the battery at a quicker time. Okay, this settings optimizes the charging process, allowing you to power up your device swiftly when needed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate fast charging on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.